A little update on Lexon cranks, second video. So first of all, I had to put a spacer here for asiomas just to get the right space between pod and crank itself. As you can see, there has to be some air. Without that, it was too tight, so I would risk to damage the pod. Anyway, the main thing is, it is a strange design though. Obviously the bolt is way far in, so without spacers it would never work at all. So you'll literally have to compensate that part here, the ring, which is used to connect spider to cranks. So minimum that. Unfortunately, spacers were not included as part of the set, which I have contacted the seller. They promised to send me, but in the meantime I've just procured this. So anyway, 24mm thick, 1mm, 2mm, I guess, like this one is, for example, 2mm wide spacers, and it was quite fiddly. So it's 1, 2, 3, that is 4, and I feel there's 5 because the actual spider doesn't go all the way to this level. It stops around 2mm before that. So in total we talk about 1 centimeter of spacing, plus then there will be the other side adjustment. This is only the reason that the chain line isn't perfect, so if it's too in, the cock's starting to catch. If it's on a small, it starts to catch the next one on one certain tooth. So yeah, for some reason it feels like it's way too in. To push it out, spacers is the answer. So I'll try to put that all in now, screw in, see how it goes.
A few moments later.
So this is all now solid. Ended up being 9mm of spacers rather than 10. On the other side I had to tighten up this preload knob, or whatever you would call it, for maybe that much. Good if 1/6 of the circle, I guess. So that is all solid. The bearings are not loaded. The chain is a little bit noisy at the moment. It's too clean. But yeah, this is all good. Seems to be. Just needs to be tested out now on the turbo first, then outside, I guess. So 9mm of spacers here, and then it feels good.